Hello and welcome to Medicare Bulletin. This is me, Naina, with you. Here are the headlines. International Modern Hospital showcases expertise of Dr. Nikita Trahan in the removal of flash fibroids. Al-Shaq Hospital inaugurates first infertility clinic in the east coast of UAE. Dubai Dental Clinic organizes a Smile for Life campaign. Dubaibased TV, a part of Aries Group of companies, initiates fundraising for victims of Nepal earthquake. Hamdan bin Muhammad Dental College initiates oral hygiene campaign for workers. Zuleika Hospital organizes Smear Don't Fear cervical cancer screening and prevention initiative. Dubai-based children take 115 million steps in Milan challenge. Aster DM Healthcare opens Access Clinic Al Rola Sharjah. Now the news in detail. International Modern Hospital showcases expertise of Dr. Nikita Trahan in the removal of flash fibroids. Nikita Trahan is a renowned gynecologist and a laparoscopic surgeon. She is one of the only doctors in UAE who has removed largest fibroids of 3.5 kg laparoscopically. Her team, under the able guidance of Dr. Hafiz Rahman, had the privilege of entering the Guinness World Records. She is also the managing director of International Modern Hospital.
Ideally, we don't want to do such big sizes. Why? Because patients should be aware. They should be able to diagnose it earlier. I mean, when you feel a lump in your abdomen, you should be able to go to the doctor and let it not become so bad or so big that it becomes a challenge for the doctor. I mean, it is a challenge when we do such big cases. I have done a 3.9 kg in India where the lady went on to have a normal baby after a year. A cesarean section was done and a 3 kg baby was delivered after a year of the myomectomy. So, I mean, we don't want to do such big cases. We would also like to do a 5 centimeter fibroid or a 6 centimeter fibroid because then it's really easy to do those kind of fibroids. A larger fibroid is a constraint because there is only that much space in the abdomen, and it becomes, for the surgeon, it becomes extremely difficult as the size keeps on advancing. We do have the expertise to do it, but we would, for the media, expect that they should help us in creating awareness so that patients don't make it reach those sizes.
So what is the advice that you give to the patients once the operation is done?
Once the surgery is done, especially in unmarried girls, I do tell them, please get married. Please have your, now that you are corrected, you're ready to have a baby, all your problems are over, so have your baby now. I mean, after 2 months, not immediately after the surgery, we advise them to have a baby after 2 months, get pregnant after 2 months of the surgery. For 2 months, we advise them not to get pregnant, so that much healing, the stitches on the uterus should heal in that much time. And the thing is that we also tell them that they should carry on their day-to-day activity. The sooner they move after laparoscopy, the more comfortable they will be. Because after open surgery, they advise rest. So that is gone in the head of the patients that we should keep resting. We tell them that please work, go join back, work faster, because the only pain our patients feel is that they were constipated or gases. So once they are mobile, then they are not constipated, then they can resume work faster.
Al-Shaq Hospital inaugurates first infertility clinic in the east coast of UAE. Al-Shaq Hospital opened the first infertility clinic in the east coast of UAE in association with New Hope Hospital Sharjah to offer advanced treatment and care for complex infertility issues and to offer comprehensive range of specialized fertility techniques. The facility was inaugurated by Dr. Muhammad bin Salih, Deputy Chairman of the Fujairah National Group, His Excellency Muhammad Abdullah Al-Hamudi, Director of Fujairah Medical District, His Excellency Ubaid Khamis Al-Khadim, Director of Fujairah Hospital, Mr. Ahmed Nazir, CEO of Al-Shaq Healthcare were also present at the event. The infertility clinic offers multiple medical services such as hormonal testing, intrauterine insemination, semen processing, assisted hatching, surgical sperm retrieval, and blastocyst transfer.
We're happy actually to announce our inauguration and opening of our infertility clinic. I'm happy to say that this is the first infertility clinic in the Eastern Coast. This is a part of our Mother and Child Medical Center, which we opened a year ago.
We're the team from New Hope Hospital in Sharjah, and this would be the first association between Al-Sharq Hospital and our hospital. This clinic will serve this area. It would be the first clinic in this area to serve all infertility patients. And we have several services to serve these people. It includes ICSI, all IVF procedures, as well as diagnosis of infertile couple. And we will be serving all the northern areas.
Dubai Dental Clinic organizes a Smile for Life campaign. A dental health screening campaign was organized by the Dubai Dental Clinic, which is the clinical entity of the Hamdan bin Mohammed College of Dental Medicine and Dubai Healthcare City. The campaign was mainly organized for the children in Kalimati, which is a communication and rehabilitation center. The campaign attracted 50 families and more than 50 children with special needs such as hearing problems, language delay and mild cases of Down syndrome and autism to Kalimati Speech and Communication Center, which opened 2 months ago. Free consultations were provided to the children for a Smile for Life campaign. Dubaibased TV, a part of Ares Group of companies, initiates fundraising for victims of Nepal earthquake. Dubaibased TV, a part of international conglomerate Ares Group, initiates fundraising to help the victims of Nepal earthquake by pledging one day's salary of each of its employees. Hamdan bin Mohammed Dental College initiates oral hygiene campaign for workers. As an humanitarian health initiative, Hamdan bin Mohammed College of Dental Science and Dubai Dental Clinic organized a one-of-a-kind oral hygiene campaign for the workers category. Since oral and dental treatment is highly expensive, the oral hygiene initiative to support the workers is expected to meet the urgent needs of low-income category of workers. Zuleika Hospital organizes Smear Don't Fear Cervical Cancer Screening and Prevention Initiative. The launch of new Smear Don't Fear Cervical Cancer Screening and Prevention campaign was developed by Zuleika Hospital, a pioneer in the UAE healthcare, and is supported by Dubai Ladies Club. Risk of the disease and the importance of regular checks for the early detection were also highlighted by eminent doctors and cancer campaigners, including leading gynecology specialist from Zuleika Hospital.
Hi, my name is Pamela Munster. I'm an oncologist from the USA. I am also the Director for Oncology Services at Zuleika Hospital here. Our campaign is about preventing cervical cancer in women in the UAE. This is a cancer that's completely preventable by either vaccine or regular pap smear, so we don't want to miss an opportunity to save someone's life.
We are conducting a month-long cervical cancer awareness program as a part of Zuleika Group awareness program. Here we are concentrating on two things: to raise awareness among women as well as men regarding a cervical cancer, which is totally treatable and preventable disease.
For the next few months, we at Zuleika Hospital are going to be offering free pap smears and discounted pap smears after some time. So, take advantage of that. Ladies, please come out there. Please do this for yourself. This is something you need to do for yourself. You need to do this for your families. If you are going to be healthy, you're going to be there to take care of them. If you're not going to be healthy, you're not going to be able to take care of them. So here's the interesting thing about cervical cancer. It's preventable. So if it's preventable, and you can prevent it, because once you actually get the cancer, its effects are very, very debilitating, and it's very difficult to cure. It's easy to prevent, but difficult to cure. So take that control in your hands. Thank you very much.
Dubai-based children take 115 million steps in Milan challenge. On 20th of May 2015, more than 70 second-grade Dubai-based students took their final strides of an 115 million Kid Steps Count Challenge finale at Al Ittihad Private School in Jumeirah as they pledged to live an active, healthy lifestyle. The joyous event signified the conclusion of a month-long celebration of being active, driven home through the Kid Steps Count initiative launched by Kinder Plus Sport in partnership with Dubai James Wellington Primary School and Al Ittihad Private School to promote healthy lifestyle in UAE's younger generation.
Juliana Abdul Samad, the primary section principal in Ittihad Private School, Jumeirah. Actually, when Kinder Plus Sport, they contacted us at the beginning of May. They came with this project to encourage the students to move and to have some kind of sports and being fit and healthy, which is a main thing that the school looks at in Ittihad Private School.
My name is Aziza Qaziha and I'm the activity coordinator at Al Ittihad Private School Jumeirah branch. Today, as you're looking around, we have like a festival. Every child here is happy because of this event. As you know, this event is about Expo Milan 2015, where Kinder Sport Plus gave us this opportunity to join our kids to become a global thinker through this event, where kids can move, can learn, and can think about their future. And this is part of our vision as we are trying to give our students to become local heritage and a global thinker.
Mr. Emanuele Taccini, I'm in charge of the project Kinder Plus Sport. I'm proud to be in charge of, and today we are in Ittihad School to the final event of this kind of project that is very nice and involve a lot of kids, more than 400 kids here in Dubai, and the achievement that they give to them is to arrive from Milan to Dubai to Milan in more than 150 millions of steps for the kids. And they achieved, as you can see here, they hover the achievement that they give them, and so that's it. Today is here to create our ambassador, to create joyful of moving, to spread this through the kids and the family that join this event.
Aster DM Healthcare opens Access Clinic Al Rola Sharjah. Access Clinic, a group of Aster DM Healthcare, was inaugurated on 29th of May 2015. The event was attended by the star cast of the latest Bollywood movie Welcome to Karachi. Aster Healthcare has been conceived to cater to the day-to-day healthcare needs of the people, offering affordable and quality healthcare solutions. So this is it for today. Have a nice day.